Hello everyone, I am Altaf Ahmad and today I am going to talk about black box testing technique called boundary value analysis. So a boundary value analysis is a black box testing technique which tests the values of input domain at boundaries. Our test cases generally include both valid and invalid test cases. So why do we use boundary value analysis? We use boundary value analysis because most of the defects in software are generally present around conditions and boundaries. It is a well-known fact in software testing. And boundary value analysis believes that the density of defects is more towards the boundaries. So why do defects occur at boundaries? Well, they could be occurring due to one or more of these reasons. So first reason could be that programmers are generally confused about using the right comparison operators. Like they could not be sure if they have to use the greater than or equal to, or less than or less than or equal to. So it kind of produces confusions. And then we have also different kind of loops available in programming languages, like we have for loops, while loops, and do while loops. Our for loops and while loops act kind of similar, but do while loop behaves totally differently. Like it does not check condition before iteration. It iterates first and then checks the condition. So the errors could be due to that as well, and our errors could be due to errors in requirements as well. So let's look at an example. So if let's say we have a username of a user who has to register on a website, and the requirement is that his username should be 6 to 12 characters long. So in boundary value analysis, we make test cases in the following way. We have an invalid test case, which is minimum minus 1, which in this case would be 5. And then we have valid test cases, which are the minimum value itself, value greater than minimum value, minimum plus 1, and a value less than maximum value and maximum value itself. So in this case, 6, 7, 11, and 12 would be the boundary condition that we have to check. And another invalid test case would be around the boundary at 13, which is max plus 1. So boundary value analysis works in this way.